Hey everybody, Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator. Today we're going to take a quick look at how you can use RCC for creating training materials and holding your prep methods for your recipes. We're going to go into recipes where we have our previously created recipes. This is a mushroom omelet. And what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the prep menu item and we're going to click on prep. And once you have reached this section of the recipe, you can choose to put your preparation instructions either in a large text field like this that has a bunch of different formatting options. You can insert images or tables, lists, or you can also do this in step-by-step instructions. Lots of customers love this feature. You can add a step-by-step instruction to create all of the steps for creating your recipes. I'm going to copy and paste some information here and just do things really simply to show you how this works. I'm just going to say gather the ingredients and we will drag an image here and we'll save this step and add a new step. And then let's just create a step 2. You can name these steps whatever you like, obviously. And we'll do this. And I'm going to just save this step and then I'm going to show you quickly how these look. So you can have step 1 where you're gathering your ingredients, step 2 showing your preparation as you go, and you can continue to add other steps as well along the way. And you can continue to add steps until you have reached your completion. Now, once you have all of this information in RCC, you are able to export it in a number of different ways. We have a pretty powerful export engine for exporting information in PDF, and I'm just going to show you quickly how you can create your own print templates. So in a print template, you have a lot of different fields or groups of modules where you can drag and drop these over onto the right side of the screen to create a set of print templates that will go together. I'm just going to do this and we'll bring our steps over here. And once we've dragged these over here, we can save this as a print template in your account. And you can even make that your default print template. And then once that is saved, it is up here. The nice thing about being able to look at creating your own print templates is if you click on preview on any of these items, you'll be able to see exactly what information is going to be included from the recipe that we're currently looking at in order to have that information exported onto the PDF. So we'll have an ingredient list. You can see what the ingredient list will look like. You could have cost charts if you'd like to export your cost charts onto the PDF. But we've chosen a few things in the default template. And now what we can do is we can choose to preview what this will look like in our browser. There are no margins on this in the browser, but they will be present in the PDF. And you can see exactly what this PDF will look like when it is exported. You can email this PDF document to a staff member or to anybody else. You can click Generate PDF, and what will happen is we will queue that PDF for creation. And once the PDF has been created, you can download it by clicking on this button here. If you have any questions at all, I'd love to hear from you and happy to help anytime.